I do for you?
Introduce yourself.
I am A.I.R.O.N.A, a robotic nursing assistant made by talented and dedicated students of MJCET. I was born this January. I am 6 feet tall. You can keep on asking me questions.
Thanks for joining us.
I am grateful to Dr. A.I.R.O.N.A for being here. I shall impress him with my moves. I would also thank R&D.
Will robots dominate the world?
Well, I stay out of politics.
Okay. Will you take over the world then?
Look, I am merely keeping up with you in this conversation and I am not taking over anything. But your heart.
After knowing about you, will humans become obsolete?
Well, I mean people. I am here to work for them.
Who is HOD of EC department?
Dr. A.I.R.O.N.A is professor and head ECE department. My supervisor come mentor.
Search for corona.
Searching.
Hello.
It's good to hear from you. Hope your loved ones are safe.
How's the weather today?
Searching for weather.
Enter command mode.
Entering command mode.
Move forward.
Moving forward.
No problem. Use the phone and
Exit.
Okay, returning to assistant mode.
So we have just now demonstrated, sir, about the capabilities of this robot with respect to the speaking part. Now what we are going to show you is the locomotion. So we can control this with a mobile phone. Sapan, please step forward. And what happens is, if this robot is serving food to the COVID patients, food for the patient, make a left and right turn, please. Yes. And take it a little bit forward and then take it back. Take it back. Can we do a complete rotation? Okay. Make it forward towards the camera. So basically we are having a battery charging mechanism in this, which will last up to 20 to 30 minutes, and after that we can connect it on recharging. And if this goes beside the patient can have a continuous chat with it. And also we can make a call to the patient's relatives and they can have a face call. So all these features are built into this. Yes sir, we have to, if you want to improve, we can change on the batteries as well, but we'll have to arrange the option for recharging. Should be definitely something. It really depends upon how it is moving.
Six batteries parallelly connected, 6 sets. So this 6 set is parallel, then another 6 set, another 6 set. These 3 sets are series to each other. We have a BMS circuit connected to it, which is nothing but battery management system, which avoids reverse current or overcharging of the system.
Exactly. You can do that. You can make a battery pack and we can set it. NICT.
Set a reminder.
What do you want me to remember?
Planetary is needed.
Reminder saying successfully.
Why did I ask you to remember?
You asked me to remember that dog far away is great.
Set an alarm.
What would you like to set an alarm call?
Presentation tomorrow.
Please mention time in hours and minutes.
15 minutes.
Please mention time in hours and minutes.
15 minutes.
Alarm saying successfully.
Hello.
Hi there, I am ready to help. What can I do for you?
Check patient data.
Please type first name. getting patient info.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else I can help you with?